Today in the Rhythm Kitchen, we are making coconut chicken curry. Very simple dish, very tasty. Let's get to it. The ingredients you need for this dish are chicken and shrimp, or it could be totally vegetarian if you want. Curry paste, coconut milk, chicken stock, lemongrass, garlic, ginger, some zucchini, some carrots, some broccoli and cauliflower, some bell peppers, red onion, and then to garnish at the end, cilantro and lime. The first thing you need to do is chop. First things first, I'm gonna cook my rice. Because it's brown rice, it's gonna take about 45 minutes. So I'm gonna put this on, set a timer before we start our curry. So I'm doing 1 cup of brown rice and 2 cups of water. Bring this to a boil and then cover it and turn it down to simmer, set a timer for about 45 minutes. Okay, we're gonna start with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium-high heat. Let that heat up, and then we're gonna put in our curry paste and cook that for, a minute or 2. Now let's put in our garlic and our ginger and our onion and shallot. We don't want these to burn, so stir them around a lot, and you can even reduce the heat a little bit. We're gonna put in our lemongrass and our veggies. These are gonna cook for 7 to 10 minutes until they're getting a little bit soft, but you don't want them too cooked because once you put the liquid in, they're also gonna cook, and you don't want them to be too soggy at the end. So if they're on the slightly firmer side, I find that's a little bit better. Now we're gonna put in about 2 cups of chicken stock and our coconut milk. Mix it all up. You can also scrape the bottom. There's a lot of flavor on the bottom. Now we let this come to a nice simmer after it boils a bit. Now we're gonna put in our chicken. The shrimp cooks super quickly, so we just do it right at the end. And we're gonna let this chicken fully cook in here for, probably 10 minutes. Last but certainly not least, we're gonna put our shrimp in. You're gonna see these change color quite quickly, and they're only gonna take a few minutes to cook. Lastly, it's time to serve. We'll take some of our rice, put it in a bowl, and our curry right on top. A little bit of cilantro for garnish, and taste. And some freshly squeezed lime. And voila, that's all you need to do. Coconut chicken curry, 1 pot, easy. Try it out, let me know what you think.